think it's out. I'm in the car park, but it's not raining.
And it's sick.
It's not sick. It's shit.
It's so good. Because all these faggots don't want to get out.
Cheers, it's a cheers.
And there was a spider.
Jason, there's a spider.
There's a spider on my testicle.
Jew over there. There's a Jew. There's a Jew.
It's a Jew.
Right.
So, yeah.
Are you
the car
fucking
park,
ringing me again?
It's wet.
Pretty
sick. Yeah.
Stop ringing me.
It's not me, it goes on. So we're outside now at St. James 5. Have a little sesh. Okay, man. Still a bit wet, but it'll do. You're sick. You alright, man?
Too many people walking in and out, it's a safety issue, you know what I mean? Plus if it goes through one of the doors,
Yeah.
you know, it's a lot of money in people's cars, sort of thing.
So 3 tricks that weren't landed and we're getting kicked out again. Sick. Little. Let's do one. Pop a nollie. Job one. As you can see, some pretty sick stuff in here.
Oh, it's pretty
Nice bit of Miss 60 in here. Smells nice and fantastic. What do you think of this area?
Which other?
Oh, this sick chaptasticness. Nice trousers there.
Oh, MC Hammer trousers.
So we've lost Jay and Liam. It's pretty sick. Little fat boys got lost.
Found McDonald's.
So we're gonna find a new spot.
Not really.
We'll hope we can try it there, see if it's dry. See if it's drying up a bit apart from the.
Like vape pens and stuff.
So we've got this
Go straight. Let's go good. Go straight. Go straight. Don't too quick. Not too quick. Come on. Let me right off. Film it all around.
So here at the slide board store. Gonna have a little look in. Making yanks, what is it up?
It's like Kenny, you know, South Park. Kenny F. South Park.
So it's the Devonshire Green.
I've got the gay corner. As you can see everywhere, film with that dickhead. Yeah, very good. Good with the clans. Not bad clans, that way. Clans! Ollie, a little push that square over there. And you get, let's do it.
Grabbing it.
Down! Bastard!
How does it feel to eat shit on camera?
That man Sheckler. Take 2.
Ow, the meeting!
You saw me shit shoot. I'm just gonna skip it over shit.
Yes. Yeah!
Fuck that shit, that hurts. That kind of popped.
Yes!
Nice one. You like that? Look at that is.
Damn!
Nice ass lot. Nice one.
Yeah. Just seeing him running to get the camera right in time.
Fucking jello wobbles.
So we're waiting for Jay and Liam to meet us here.
Jay and
Have
Fat
a big sesh.
Greasy and fat, man. Got together, don't they? Greasy and fat. Greasy and fat.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh, you idiot! Yes! You like his lovely board? Pretty awesome.
Yeah, I can still have that.
Do it now, flip it. Flip.
Give it, you give it Jay, you give it me.
So right now we're just chilling in slide with the man names.
Jay, ask if you can get another day.
Other way.
Safe.
Unless you want to take her out for a little wee there. Take her up, don't drop her. So you careful when you put it, take her on the side. But don't let her wander into the middle of the traffic.
Doggy.
Be careful with it, man.
Safe. Safe, man. Safe.
My dog's son.
Do it! Ollie!
So we're at Pigeon now. We're gonna have a little session on the forest area.
The border.
We've got Max Richardson filming it. Let's have it. Heel for the first try. Oh, crap. Next try. It's eating shit every time. I will get it! Yeah! Ooh.
That was only his third try.
Is that nice?
That's tasty, it's my penis.
Nice.
Tasty.